Hello students, in this lecture we will study of equipotential surfaces and their properties. So the meaning of equipotential surfaces means the surfaces where potential is equal. A surface at every point of which the potential due to charge distribution is the same is called equipotential surface. For a uniform electric field, this is the uniform electric field, this one is the direction of the electric field. So for this electric field, these are the equipotential surfaces. The potential at that point is equals to the potential at that point, as well as means there are many points on the surface, and at each and every point on that surface potential will be same. If there is V1 potential, there is V2 potential and there is V3 potential, then at each and every point on this surface the potential will be V1, here V2 and here V3. Plane equipotential surfaces. These three planes are called equipotential surfaces. Similarly, for an isolated charge, suppose this is the charge, and due to this charge we know that the electric field lines will originate from this and all the field lines will symmetric from this charge. So suppose at a distance r there is a point where the potential is V, then here also, or in downward direction also, at a distance r potential will be same, like this. This is the electric field. Now this is the equipotential surfaces. These are the equipotential surfaces. These are the equipotential surfaces. This also equipotential surface. Equipotential surface means suppose there is a point here, then there also be a point. So we have to displace a charge from this point to this point, and this is the equipotential surface. It means the potential difference between this point to this point is 0. It means there is no work done against the field to displace the charge from this point to this point. Spherical equipotential surfaces, ये concentric spherical equipotential surfaces है. Now the properties of equipotential surfaces. First one, no work is done in moving a test charge from one point to another on an equipotential surface, because see here, at this line there is a charge and we have to displace this charge from this point to, means vertical axis, to horizontal axis, and this is the equipotential surface, this one. So equipotential surface means the potential at that point is equals to potential at that point. So there is no potential difference. If there is no potential difference, then work is Q into potential difference. So work will be 0. The potential difference equals to work done divided by Q naught. If A and B are 2 points on the equipotential surface, then VB equals to VA, or on the equipotential surface potential at a point A and B are same, so VB equals to VA. So W A to B is 0. Next point, the electric field is always perpendicular to element dl of the equipotential surface. Electric field is always perpendicular to element of equipotential surface. Means suppose we have this equipotential surface, then on this equipotential surface the tangent will be along to this direction and the normal will be this direction. तो जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है वो इसी डायरेक्शन में है. इट मीन्स जो आपका सरफेस है उस पर टेंजेंट की क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर है. सपोज वी हैव ए लाइन एलिमेंट हियर, ओके, so at that point tangent is in this direction सो परपेंडिकुलर क्या होगा, इस डायरेक्शन में होगा. इट मींस जो टेंजेंट है इस पॉइंट पे, इस टेंजेंट पे परपेंडिकुलरली क्या है आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है. Since no work is done on equipotential surface, means we know that on equipotential surface a charge is displaced from one point to another point, then there is no work done. So W A to B is equals to minus integral from limit A to B E dot dr or dl equals to 0. So E dl cos theta must be 0. WAB equals to 0, it means this integration also be 0, and that integration value is ADL cos theta equals to 0. So electric field will not be 0. Similarly, line element will not be 0. It means cos theta must be 0, and cos theta is equals to 0 if and only if theta is equals to 90 degree. It means the angle between E and DL is 90 degree. Equipotential surface indicate regions of strong or weak electric fields. Electric field is defined as the negative potential gradient. सबसे पहले यहां पे पॉइंट देखते हैं. Equipotential surfaces indicate regions of strong or weak electric fields. मीन्स जो equipotential surfaces हैं वो हमें ये इंडिकेट करते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर equipotential surface में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग है या वीक है. So we know that the electric field is defined as the negative potential gradient E equals to minus del V upon del R. That implies dr equals to minus dV upon E. Since dV is constant on equipotential surface, so dr is proportional to 1 by E. If electric field is increasing, so dr will decrease. If E is decreasing, then dr will increase. मीन्स जैसे जैसे आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे dr कम होगा. मीन्स फ्रॉम ए पर्टिकुलर चार्ज व्हेन वी आर गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम टू दैट चार्ज, इट मीन्स डिस्टेंस इज इंक्रीजिंग, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल डिक्रीज. इफ E is strong, dr will be small. The separation of equipotential surfaces will be smaller. Equipotential surfaces are crowded and vice versa. Okay. From here also we can learn that at that point, this one nearby the positive charge, the equipotential surface is this one. Here the distance is smaller. Okay. So electric field is more. Next, the distance is increasing, so electric field is decreasing. Okay. Two equipotential surfaces cannot intersect. If two equipotential surfaces intersect, then at the point of intersection there will be two value of electric potential, which is not possible. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस में भी हमने देखा था कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस हैं वो एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करती हैं. तो सिमिलरली हम यहां से भी देख सकते हैं कि जो भी इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेसेस हैं अगर वो कट करते हैं तो एक ही पॉइंट पे दो वैल्यू हो जाएंगी इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की, जो पॉसिबल नहीं है. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी वेयर एज पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. The negative sign of potential gradient shows that the rate of change of potential with the distance is always against the electric field intensity. See here, dV upon dr means the rate of change of potential with respect to distance is always against to, negative sign है, it means against to electric field intensity. Okay students, thank you.